Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2017 RX350 F Sport Series 3 in the Nebula Grey Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Calgary car, low mileage, with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features include LED L-shaped premium headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, also equipped with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED fog lights, F-Sport front grille, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, wireless phone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, center locking differential, sunroof. This vehicle is also equipped with the factory remote start, perfect for the winter season ahead. Power folding rear seats, Rioja red interior, great shape, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.